Ano na lang masasabi mo kay Tay? Kasi kahit last minute nandun pa rin sa loob.
Well, that's malaking bagay sa kanya malaking bagay sa amin na in that kind of situation in coach. Siguro Coach Tim, really, parang nagganap talaga siya ng spark. And he made a spark when he went inside the game. So I hope he'll continue to do that for our team kasi napakalaking bagay. It reminded me when Scotty first came to the team, parang ganoon din eh. Siya yung nagbibigay ng spark sa amin. Then eventually nakuha na niya yung rhythm niya sa team. So, yeah, diba? Unti-unti nakuha niya. And hopefully si Taylor ganoon din naman yan magawa. Kailangan yun. Ganun talaga eh. He has to adjust pa rin. Pero good thing about it, I think mukhang veterano siya eh. Veterano siya, so he knows what he's doing. He's a smart player.
Sinasabi ni Tay parang ikaw daw yung pinaka-nilalapitan niya lalo sa practice.
Oo, hindi kasi ako naman, I'm really looking for like in my position right now, parang I'm looking for a player na talaga i-guide ko. Well, there is si Scotty. Siguro nasa sitwasyon ako ngayon sa career ko na yes, I can still play, but at the same time, it's time for me to parang to guide the young players. Kasi marami ng players na so, gusto ko rin maging good example sa while playing. Hindi lang yung puro-turo lang ako. Hindi ko naman ginagawa ng photo. So I want to be good example also to them. Especially sa mga batang players. So yun yung ginagawa ko. And the good thing about Tay and our young players, they're willing to learn. Marunong sila magtanong, hindi sila nahihiya. And I made sure also na hindi sila nahihiya kasi that's a natural feeling. Siyempre, 9 years, probably 10 years yung gap sa edad, diba? Siyempre mahihiya yan. So, but good thing about Tay, marunong siya magtanong and he's willing to learn. So I think he's gonna be okay with that. Kailangan lang konting adjustment.